Good morning, kids. How are you all? You all are fine. You all are fine at your home. Students, tell me which festival is about to come. Tell me which festival is about to come. Which festival do you all know? Raksha Bandhan. Which festival is going to come? Raksha Bandhan. It is a festival of brother and sisters. So today what we are going to do? Today we are going to speak few lines about this festival, and I am going to show you one activity, Rakhi making activity. So what you have to do? You have to learn these lines. Okay, then you have to make a video of it, learn this rhymes, speak this rhyme, and you have to make the Rakhi. Okay, and you have to stick this Rakhi in your English notebook. Okay students, in your activity section. So students, first we are going to read this. First what you have to do, you have to introduce yourself, that good morning, my name is, I study in class, and I am going to speak on the topic Raksha Bandhan. So students, here I had written 8 sentences, but you can learn only 5. Okay students? Now the first sentence is Raksha Bandhan is a festival of India. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. Again, I am going to repeat this. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. It means that it is a famous festival. Famous means Prasiddh. Festival of India. It is celebrated all over the India. Okay. Now the second point is it is celebrated all over the country with great joy. It means कि ये पूरी कंट्री में मीन्स इंडिया में ये फेस्टिवल हर कोई सेलिब्रेट करता है बहुत खुशी और उल्लास के साथ. Now the third sentence is Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Thus the bond of protection is called Raksha Bandhan. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट रक्षा मीन्स प्रोटेक्शन, प्रोटेक्ट करना, रक्षा करना किसी की, एंड बंधन मीन्स बॉन्ड. सो इट इज़ अ बॉन्ड ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन. प्रोटेक्शन का बॉन्ड है बिटवीन द ब्रदर एंड द सिस्टर. Now the fourth point is the festival of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the day of Shravan Purnima. So when it's celebrated, रक्षा बंधन हम कब celebrate करते हैं? On the day of Shravan Purnima. Okay. Now the fifth point. On this day, sisters apply tilak on their brother's forehead and tie rakhi on their brother wrist. Wrist means कलाई. कलाई में राखी बांधते हैं और तिलक लगाते हैं माथे में. Sixth point. Brothers gives gifts to their sisters and promise to take care of them in every situation. हम जब राखी बांधते हैं तो ब्रदर क्या प्रॉमिस करते हैं अपने सिस्टर को? वो गिफ्ट भी देते हैं और प्रॉमिस भी करते हैं. गिफ्ट इज़ अ टोकन ऑफ लव. वो अपनी खुशी से, अपने प्यार से वो अपनी सिस्टर को गिफ्ट देते हैं. ओके और वो प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि वो अपनी बहन की, अपनी सिस्टर की हर सिचुएशन में, हर मुसीबत में वो उसकी रक्षा करेंगे, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे हर मुसीबत से. ओके नाउ द सेवेंथ पॉइंट. सिस्टर प्रेज टू गॉड फॉर द सेफ्टी, गुड हेल्थ एंड ब्राइट फ्यूचर ऑफ हर ब्रदर. सिस्टर्स क्या प्रे करती है गॉड से राखी बांधते टाइम? कि उसके ब्रदर की हेल्थ अच्छी रहे, सेफ रहे जहाँ भी रहे, और उसका फ्यूचर ब्राइट हो. Now the eighth point. This festival is a symbol of affection and scared relationship between brother and sister. So ये festival क्या है? It is a affection of love and a beautiful relationship between ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. ब्रदर और सिस्टर का जो रिलेशनशिप है ये उसके ऊपर बना है ये फेस्टिवल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to learn these sentences, only 5 sentences, and you have to make a video of it and send it to me. And what you have to do now, I am going to show you one Rakhi making activity, and what you have to do, you have to make Rakhi accordingly or of your choice, and you have to stick it on the English notebook activity section, and you have to click the picture of that image and send it to me on the assignment section on this same link, DPS link. Okay students, now I am going to show you the activity. Students, now take three pieces of paper of circle shape of different sizes. Now white sheet of paper, circle shape of different sizes. Now what I am going to do, I am going to fold this circle shape, press it properly, press the fold properly, then fold it once again, press it properly, press it in all the sides. Now take scissor. Now cut long strips, leave space, little spaces. Now cut long lines on it. Are you able to see this? Now you all had cutted this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to cut this in slanting line like mountain. Like we make mountain now, like this. Now from the other side I am going to repeat this, the same thing, slanting line. Now which shape is this? Like a mountain. See, now what I am going to do, I am going to cut it little bit once again, like this. Now repeat the same procedure with the second shape also. Fold it and cut it long strips and cut it in slanting line and make a shape like a mountain. Now I am going to turn it back and I will cut a slanting line once again. Now which shape you can see? Mountain shape. So now I am going to repeat this procedure with white sheet. Fold it and cut it long strips, then cut it like slanting line. Now it will look like mountain shape. Okay, so I had done this thing with 3 pink color sheets and white color. Now I am going to do white color. With white color I am doing. Okay, so are you able to see? The pink color sheets are of different sizes, big, bigger and biggest. Or you can say small, smaller or smallest. Now I am doing this thing with white sheet also. Slanting line like a mountain. Okay. Now open it. Now give cuts on the fold. Now what I am going to do? Take some Fevicol. Now see what I am going to do over here. Now I am going to fold the ends from both the opposite sides, so it will look like a flower. So it needs lots of time and patience too. So fold it properly, students. And if you are not able to fold it, then you can keep the same. But if you can fold it, it will look nice. So fold the corners, both the opposite corners, just we have to press it. Okay, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है मैम ये कॉर्नर्स को एक साथ फोल्ड कर रही है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू रिपीट द सेम थिंग विथ ऑल द साइजेस. हमको सारे साइजेस के साथ ये सेम थिंग रिपीट करनी है, उसको फोल्ड करने की. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, are you able to see this? Now what I am going to do, I had done the folding thing. Now fold it nicely. The corners, are you able to see it? White one is left. So I am doing the same procedure with the white one also. We have to do this thing with all the pieces, okay? Now only pink one is left, smaller one. Now I am going to squeeze it. It takes lots of time and patience too, so do it nicely. Now what I am going to do, first I will take bigger piece of pink sheet. I am using Fevicol over here. If you are not having Fevicol, you can use glue gun or Fevistick. Okay, spread it nicely in the center part. Now stick white piece of flower over here, smaller piece, smaller than pink sheet. Okay, now I am going to take pink sheet, then again put Fevicol or Fevistick. Okay, now I am going to stick it. This is smaller than white one. Okay, small, smaller, smallest. Now again white one. First I had taken pink one, then white one, then pink, then white. Then again I am going to stick pink one. Okay. Now press it properly, it will not come out. Now finally I am going to stick pink one. Okay. Now I am going to stick, first press it properly nicely so it won't come out. Now if you are having thermocol balls at your home or pearls, so you can use that also, or bindi. I am having thermocol balls, so I am going to stick it. If you are not having thermocol balls, you can use bindi over here, or any pearl necklace. If you are having broken one, then you can use a pearl over here, or crystal. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to take white pearl, white thermocol ball. Now I am going to stick this in the center part. Okay students, now I will put Fevicol over here. Now I will stick thermocol ball over here. Now I will put Fevicol around it because I am going to stick some beads over here. Now I am going to stick some beads. I am having, see, around it, it is of golden color. You can use any contrast color. If you are having any blue color, it will also look very nice. Okay students, now stick it around the thermocol ball so it will look nice. Whichever thing you are having at your home, you can use that. Okay, if you are not having anything, you can use pulses also. राहर की दाल होती है, वो भी आप स्टिक कर सकते हो. Okay students, now I am going to press this properly. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take a piece of sheet and a thread. So I am having chain over here, so I had stick it that. If you are not having any chain, so you can use ribbon also, a colored paper sheet also. Okay students, whatever things you are having at your home. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Now what you have to do, you have to stick this Rakhi in your English notebook. Okay students, click the picture and send it to me. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Okay students, bye. Take care.